Hey there, the team over at Muddy Vibe has sent over a pair of their walking shoes, so let's take a closer look at them.
So here's an up-close look at the shoe itself. It's got a nice design to it. The side goes up pretty high, so there's not going to be a lot of places for water to get in. If we look here at the toe cap, you can see that, again, that design comes up over the front of the toe. This is a laceless design, so we have the pull tab here, so for tightening the shoe. Once they're on, you would slide that down to tighten it up. Here's a look at the tread on it, and you can see even in the camera the angle that it's a lower tread here and it's much deeper as you get up into the middle part of the shoe. And then on the very top, it actually changes from these hexagons to this longer style tread. It's kind of hard to see on camera here, but here's the inside of the shoe, and there is some extra cushion up here in the heel area.
So while walking in them, I did find that they were comfortable to walk in. They do feel very narrow, so I'm not sure as I break them in if they're going to actually stretch out a little bit for me, but sizing is definitely important, and I probably could have gone with my normal size as opposed to sizing down. In regards to how these actually go on, I felt they went on easy. As far as the slip-on, I did have to still use my hands. They were not step in and go on, but there are no ties involved. The string tie to tighten it down actually worked really well. I didn't feel that it loosened on me. Overall, I think these are a good pair of shoes. I definitely like the tread and found them comfortable, but sizing is my biggest takeaway from this. Guys, if you are looking for a new pair of shoes, then I hope this video helps you decide on if Muddy Vibe are a good pair for you.